Hey, have you ever heard of LOLODIDIT? She is an independent yarn dyer and has an online shop. She is known for doing hippos, a hippo colorway, which is like really cool. I got her Halloween box this year. It did come in a box, which she decorated and wrote Happy Halloween on the box and Boo on the other side. But my cats commandeered the box. That's what's so funny about it. So I had to stick the yarns in a bag I had. Didn't want to show my address, sorry. So it came beautifully wrapped in purple and polka dot tissue, which I just love. I like to repurpose it, but they took the purple tissue paper from me. Included in the box were these pamphlets telling us about her upcoming clubs. She has a Christmas Ween club, which I did join. She has a Broadway club, and she has a books and tea club. So if you're interested in joining some of her yarn clubs, go on over there. The Christmas Ween club is where 1 month you'll get a Halloween colorway, and the next month a Christmas colorway, and then a Halloween colorway, and then a Christmas colorway. And that's for people who like Christmas and Halloween colored yarn. I absolutely love that. So this is the Halloween box that she had put together, and there is several yarns in it. So, and they all have a mini. So let's just grab some out. I need this to see the names of it. So these are in her, hang on. These are a DK weight, 100% superwash merino. There is 280 yards. And this one is called Morticia. So I love that. That's beautiful. Absolutely love that with a little bit of the color in there. So this is Morticia. I'm probably not going to get them in the right order. I hope I do, but we'll see. This one's Wednesday. So you have Morticia and Wednesday. So this is Wednesday, and this one is also DK weight, but this one is only 95 yards. Okay, let's go with the next one. This one is Michael, and of course Michael Myers from Halloween. And then to go with, and of course it's the same details as Morticia. And this one is Judith, who was in the movie with Michael Myers. So you have these two. And then we have a couple more. It fell out. There it is. And then we have Beetlejuice, which is absolutely gorgeous. Loving the colors in Beetlejuice. And then we have Lydia, who is a beautiful purple. Now, I don't think I'm going to use Lydia with Beetlejuice, or Wednesday with Morticia, or Judith with Michael. What I do think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to use Judith with Beetlejuice. I know, isn't that wild? I think I'm going to use Judith with Beetlejuice. I know, that's crazy. But you know how Froggy is. I think I'm going to use Judith with Beetlejuice. I like the colors together. I think that I would like to use Lydia. I know you guys aren't going to believe me, but I'm going to use Lydia with Morticia. That purple, that's purple, not blue. That purple with Morticia is going to look really good. Put that purple in there with Morticia. And then, of course, Wednesday with Michael Myers. So I'm going to put that gray in there with Michael. So I decided how I'm going to pair them up. Not the way they were intended to be paired, but I don't mind. I like to mix things up. But these are super squishy. I mean, mega squish factor in every one of these. They are nice. Go over and check out LOLODIDIT. I mean, her colors are really saturated. They're really beautiful. Super squish factor. Very soft. And, I mean, 280 yards and a DK weight is very good. So go over and check her out, and see. I don't think you can get this box anymore, but go over and check her website. I'll link her in the description box below. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.